Was it worth waiting for Kraken in 2026? If you're anything like me, you want an exchange that doesn't just keep up, but actually drives the next wave of finance. For years, I've appreciated Kraken's security and transparency, but the 2026 platform update, combined with their strategic moves, has changed the game completely. It's not just a crypto exchange anymore, it's a genuine multi-asset investment hub. The multi-asset evolution. The single biggest change I've experienced is the true integration of traditional assets and crypto. When they introduced X stocks, the tokenized US stocks and ETFs on a blockchain, it immediately simplified my portfolio management. I can trade my crypto holdings, my US equities, and even ETFs, all from one place, with 24/7 access to the tokenized versions. It's been a massive time saver and eliminates the hassle of moving capital between different financial ecosystems. Derivatives and trading power. For active traders, the focus on derivatives has been a huge boost. The official rollout and expansion of perpetual futures, perps, accessible to a broader retail audience, means more ways to speculate and hedge. As a user, I appreciate that Kraken pitched these to everyday investors and included built-in protections like stop-loss functions. It lets me express market views with more flexibility than spot trading alone, but with some risk management safeguards right out of the box. The acquisition of futures trading platforms like NinjaTrader really paid off, too. The Kraken Pro platform now feels truly supercharged, with deeper market insights and 24-hour trading for select equities from Monday to Friday, which is huge for reacting to global events. Security and DeFi access. Kraken has always been a security leader, and in 2026, they've doubled down on that. Their commitment to proof of reserves remains industry-leading. I don't just have to trust them, I can verify. But what excites me most about the future is the work on simplified DeFi access, specifically their Layer 2 initiative. I've been watching their plans to bridge regulated finance and open DeFi. This push for a more simplified DeFi experience is the key to mainstream adoption. It means I can potentially tap into more decentralized opportunities directly from the exchange without the usual technical headaches or security worries of bridging assets myself. In short, the best features are the ones that dissolve the lines between traditional and digital finance, the unified multi-asset trading, the accessible derivatives, and the foundation they've laid for simpler, secure DeFi interaction. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.